What's up, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today is April 3rd, 2022. Picked up a couple items from Lowe's. I also picked up concrete for my wife's project. We ended up using a few more bags on one of the holes for her structure we're making. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. And like I was saying at the beginning in the intro, picked up 8 more bags of concrete. One of the holes we dug a little bit too wide. And instead of taking the 4 bags like it was supposed to, it ended up taking 7 bags. But, you know, it's no big deal. So I picked up, you only used 3 more bags in that hole. I picked up the 3 bags to replace those 3 bags, plus 1 extra, and then I grabbed 4 more because we're thinking we're going to need to do a 7th pole. And they're 4x4s, 10 feet tall. We're putting them 2 feet into the ground. It's going to be a shade structure. So I'm putting all the poles against the fence line. And then I'm gonna put a 2x8 on top of the 4x4s, and then we're gonna attach the shade cloth on top of the 2x8s, and then run the shade cloth to the roof. That's what that is. These are the 2 items I picked up. Here's a ToughBuilt 360-degree pocket level. It's a hefty little dude. I actually was looking at this a couple months ago, and then this I found. In the discounted section, Crescent Lufkin specialty angle level. I thought that was pretty neat. I picked both of them up. The part number for this Crescent Lufkin specialty angle level is Lima Sam Lima 1100-02. Again, Lima Sam Lima 1100-02, or LSL 1100-02. And then the ToughBuilt 360-degree pocket level is Tango Bravo Henry 2 Lima 4 Roger, or TB-H2-L-4R. So Tango Bravo Henry 2 Lima 4 Roger. They're kind of hard to see on the camera. We're going to cut both of these open real quick. As you guys on the channel may know, I have an obsession for levels and measuring devices, speed squares, stuff like that. This one was $14.97 and this one was $24.97. I also want to pick up the smaller Milwaukee ones, but I'll pick those up later. Both of these are pretty heavy. This Crescent one, it's got 90 degree, 87.5, 80 degree, 45, 30 degree, 32.5. That's what that looks like to me. Oh, 22.5, my bad. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90 millimeter. You push the pin in the center, and it rotates. And it actually locks and hides inside the housing, which is pretty nice in my opinion. 90 degree. I also like the bubble. It's a pretty nice bubble. $87.5 or 97.5, 80, 45, 30, 22.5, and then you have your millimeters. So that is pretty nice. That's 0 degrees right there. So this cart is slightly off, but you know, it's also, this tray is also warped. I've had so much heavy weight on it. I've had probably 400 pounds on this little tray at one point. But it's slightly off. It needs to be a little bit angled that way for it to be level. And then this one is the ToughBuilt one. Precision rotating vial to set and identify an angle. Heavy duty die cast construction for maximum durability. Small pocket size portability. Milwaukee makes pocket levels a lot smaller than this, but powerful rare earth magnets. It is pretty hefty. Both of these are pretty heavy, in my opinion. This one we're going to cut it open with the box cutter. Okay. So I just removed it completely. That's this guy right here. I like that it's got a what kind of looks like a textured wheel. That's probably being used as gear teeth. Turn this on. It's kind of hard to see, but oh no, it's got a gear under the wheel, so this wheel is just textured for your finger. But I like how smooth that turns. So 22.5, 15, 0, 15, 22.5, 45, 75. Surprised there isn't a 50 and a 55 on here. And then you got 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0, and then 10 all the way back to 90 millimeter. Could also be labeled as 90 degrees, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30. To me it looks like millimeter measurements down here, because this is standard measurements: 0, 15, 22.5, 45, 50, and then a 55, and then 75. But this one also reads about the same as the Crescent. Actually, the exact same spot as the Crescent, so that's nice. They are identical on their measurements. And if you need to just turn it and rotate it, you can. So, just a quick video. Two really nice levels. Does not look like the back is magnetic. It also has a lock pin right here, an Allen grub screw that you can use to lock it down. It's got some pretty strong magnets. I can move the camera and the tray. The Crescent one does not seem to be as strong, but the Crescent one only has one magnet. You can also put it on pipes. It's got a slot so you can put it on pipes for the Crescent, as well as the ToughBuilt also has a slot for piping. But between both, you can see this one's Not very strong, but this one is. So this is nice. I'm going to add it to my measurement collection, and you know, will come in handy when I need it for specific tasks. I've got digital levels, I've got full-size levels, I've got little small levels. I'm a fan of levels. I love levels. They always come in handy. It always helps to have multiple versions. Now, there isn't much information on here for like the Lufkin. Push button adjustability allows user position via at preset or custom angles. Rare earth magnets at the bottom of V-groove for maximum holding force. I'm sure this will hold itself. I wouldn't say that it would be great for much else other than holding itself. This one has lockouts though. That's what's nice about this Crescent one, is it actually has, you push the button, turn it, and when it's not in a notch, it will lock into the next notch. Where this one, you can turn it by hand, see? So this one you can adjust from the knob, or you can adjust it from the rear. And there's a gear attached to this right here, so I can actually slightly see the gear in the back. I can see it. It's probably not going to show up at all on camera, no matter how many lights I have on. Yeah, it's too much of a shadow. I can see the gear right here. But they're both really nice. I do have to admit the ToughBuilt one is definitely a lot beefier. It's a lot heavier. I also do like that it has a grub screw that you can tighten if you need this measurement to be locked in permanently while you're using it. So that's nice. Let's see if I have... see if I may have a Allen that will fit it properly, so I can at least give you guys what the Allen size is. That's too big. That one fits pretty well. I would say this is it's not even on here. That's interesting. These don't have markings anymore. I've used these for so many years. That one says 6. Okay. 5, 4. Does it look like a 3mm? 4. So this is a 4mm Allen. It fits really, really nice in that slot. And it does lock the knob down. Doesn't want to move at all, so that's a very, very nice feature. If you want to loosen it up, you can. You can also use it to hold tension if you want to. Make it turn a little bit harder. So it's a 4mm Allen. What is this one? This one's a 5. 5.5 and then 6. Okay. So it's a 4mm Allen, fits perfectly fine. So hopefully that helps you guys out if you need that information. These are standards right here. These are just those power torques that I got from O'Reilly's a long time ago. I've been using them for years. Okay, so that one doesn't fit. Just to make sure that it is metric. Yeah, so this standard one fits quite loose. So, and this is a 5/32. So a 5/32 is slightly loose, so it has to be a 4mm. But that is all I got for you guys today. I do hope the information was helpful. Appreciate you guys stopping by, as always, hanging out with me on the channel today. And I hope you guys have an awesome, awesome rest of your day. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. One last thing, I do have the 40 volt hammer drill and impact driver kit from Makita coming in for the channel. From Acme Tools, they sent it to us so that we could do videos on it. Let me know what you guys would like to see. And I do appreciate everybody stopping by. And one last thing, as always, like, comment, and subscribe. Smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates on videos and tools and stuff like that. Computers, you know, automotive, whatever you guys like to see, or whatever you guys watch that's on my channel. Some of you guys watch just the automotive, some of you guys watch just the computer stuff, some of you guys watch just the tools. And one other thing, go check out my affiliate links. It does help the channel out when you guys use them. So Amazon, my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. If I can find these from the Lowe's website, I will put them in the description below so you guys can go check them out on the website if you want. This was in the monthly deals boxes. This Crescent Lufkin level right here, which I kind of like it. It's a nice looking level. So go into the tool section and you'll see all the boxes in the center of the floor, and it's got, you know, all the deals. This was one of those deals. Appreciate you guys stopping by as always, and I will see you guys on the next video. You guys have an awesome rest of your day. Peace!